everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the PNY 32GB USB flash drive Micro Metal Edition. So you can get this from Best Buy for $11.99 from Best Buy. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this product out, but before we do, let's take a look around the packaging. So here it is. Here is the PNY 32GB USB flash drive Micro Metal Edition. Here you can see the USB flash drive itself in its compact form. Here's the actual USB drive up close, 32GB. It comes with a lanyard, mini lanyard. Here this is ideal storage for your notebooks, tablets, TVs, and your car audio. Here, this is designed for being discreet and unobstructive, and this can hold music, photos, videos, and more. So here's the front side of the package, and now let's take a look on the back side of the package. Here's the back side of the package. Here you have the barcode on the top right corner. And here is all the other information. And at the bottom, it says that this comes with a 1-year warranty. You can scan the QR code if you want to learn more about this product. This is a USB 2.0 drive, not a 3.0 drive. This is a USB 2.0 drive. So now let's go ahead, take out our scissors, and break open the package. So let's line this up and make it cut through where it says to be cut through. There we go. And now let's finally take the Micro Metal 32GB USB drive out of its packaging. So the reason why I bought this USB drive, Micro Metal USB drive, is to, you'll see later in the video, is to attach it to make it a discrete and obstructive view of what I'm going to use this for. So there it is. Here you have a 32GB PNY Micro Metal USB drive. Here's a closer look. 90% of the drive is metal. Here's the back side, and here's the inside, and the other 10%, such as that black plastic that you see here, is plastic, and it also comes with a hole so you can have your lanyard make a loop in it. So yeah, so let's take out a penny to compare the size of this USB flash drive, and it's almost exactly the same as the height of the penny. So here's a better view. So here's a view of the penny. It's almost the same size, not exact, but you get the idea. And yeah. So it's about the same size of a penny in terms of height. Now with that being said, I'm going to put the lanyard in the USB drive, and you'll see what I am going to use this for. So this is what I'm using it for on my PlayStation Classic, and here's what I mean, being discreet and unobstructive, and here is what this is designed for. So you don't have a typical traditional long USB drive sticking out. Here you have an unobstructive view, and this is designed for Auto Bleem Project Eris or Bleem Sync to add games to the PlayStation Classic. So This is why I like putting the lanyard in so you can take it out with ease. Now you know why I bought this USB drive, is to have an unobstructive transport of the PlayStation Classic when you carry it in your bag. So that will do it for this episode of Unbox Training. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this product. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Trinh. And I will see you on next one.